This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not available on iPhone. So if you're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi, or if you're trying to search for an Wi-Fi but you see the Wi-Fi not available problem, just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. The second solution is turn off Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Go to Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi. After 2 or 3 minutes, again turn on and then check the issue. And the third solution is reset all settings. Open your settings, General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, check the issue, and if you're still having the same Wi-Fi issue, then it may be your iPhone hardware issue. In this case, you should visit Apple customer care to fix your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.